Hey, family boost come there. Hello. Oh. Children. There we Auntie got here. Ask him, Auntie got here. Get the man you are now, Bago. Hey, you didn't go boost. No, do I look like boost to you? You see an adult to enter your house, you don't know me. You come there talk. I know they like this kind of thing. Yeah, who born yourself? They not train you well. They don't train you well. They come like them catching a in a yard shape of Gucci. Nonsense. Where resemble date? You see a freshman where you know where I come from. Call your auntie for me. Tell them say her husband's suitor is here. Tell her say Chiefimo want my dog come make me an rapport. Call your mama, call everybody, make they come out. I am talking. If I slap you, one year again. I'm not telling you guys that happen. Elebe your auntie no. Babe.
Honey.
Wow. Udu my water swimming pool. Hey. Finally, I said, let me come and see your parents. Let me see them because of the reason. How are you? Hey. Wow, I found so I go fit to play. Don't go there.
I'm going to do it.
Hey, I'm beautiful girl. And beautiful clothes. You rock like you face great. Even though not by how we call. Wow. This your sister, you go one more. You go want this small child here. Anytime when you go disrespect me again, what a mess. What put on nego because call your mama for me. Look, I see my mother-in-law.
Babe, this is my mother, mom. This is my mother.
God have mercy upon us.
Your baptismal mother, oh.
Yeah, that's my mother, my real mother. Mama, that's Neburum Yes, Neburum, this is my mother.
Oh, Jesus.
Cherekwa. So, Onya, would never call walk.
Babe, you are my mother. This is my mother.
Stop joking. Can I be she reporting Honya? Where you come out from? No, where you yeah. Oh, Tana go Potali Money. When you're Bubulo Tana, get my fuzzy babam. I beg you, sir, stop this prank. Where you they do? I can say this is where they help your mama. Yeah. So if I person ask me now where they are all going, Tola Honyaka. Anything you go rush them. Quick shop by that. Go and bring your mama come.
Stainless, ma. Show one. Oh, yeah, mana. It's show one. What? This person. This old man. Old fool.
You saw how we old. He won't know.
Oga. Stainless, one. You're only half follow or whatever. You have no name here. Oga, walk it up. Oga, walk it up.
I'm saying you alone, it will not, it can never walk.
Oga, read my lips. Read my lips. Oga, walk it up.
It's a waste of time to read your lips. Mike, where don't read my going already. From the moment she mentioned say you be the mama, the marriage has been cancelled, both in the physical, spiritual, and
Uja!
I'm not going to if I'm so much, I'm a job for organizing.
Oga, Halele. It's only my head, man. It's only. Do you want to know what I would do or what I can do? Eh? Oh yeah.
Okay,
you are not ashamed of yourself. as old as you are, you come for my daughter. Want to marry?
Me and your daughter, who younger pass?
Oga, halele.
Don't come close to me.
Move it, Oga.
Don't come close to me.
Move it.
Apa magala. Apa magana za. Oh, support all my mama. Nego so malaja. Who saw your mother? Nega wala baby to me.
Okay, bring me. Put my mother first. Put that. Bring me down. Bring my mother. Yeah. I will deal with this.
Oga mo ya pakala mo. Ina so ki gam. What are you going to do? Inam nazo. There's nothing you can. Ekole meaning nonsense about some.
Oga me ke bu.
Put my mother.
Leave me.
This dude doesn't know. The word is not the issue. So this one will marry.
Again,
Show you what God can do.
Nice to
Ladies
see
and
you.
gentlemen,
Chai.
this is one of our fathers in the industry.
Hi, Igbo. Okay.
Our way maker.
Very well respected.
Yes, one of the people who sacrificed their life
Exactly.
for what we are benefiting.
The kingmaker.
Oh my goodness.
Malila.
This is my chairman. The people we look up to all the time.
Yeah,
Anytime we see them, hope day for us.
Like, you didn't come to me for erection or what?
Don't worry, that side we'll go talk about it. But for now, we look up to you every now and
You don't say me you did that with the last 2 weeks.
I didn't know if
You
I
did
don't
your answer
think-
already inside.
I don't go.
My
One of the band that Richie's boy. They tell me say you did here. I say how?
No, you did your answer, but when you came in, that's when we were leaving.
I didn't know at all. I don't come.
You
with
came in,
anytime
get
we go.
inside, then me I can't enter straight. I'm not coming back. So when I come here, say Chivimo, or I come to see Moody, I see which can wahala. Say my brother they outside the work.